So let's take a look at how you can create a new project in GDevelop game editor. So basically GDevelop is a free game engine that you can download on Windows and create games. So if you haven't downloaded it, you can go to gdevelop-app.com and download this gaming engine. Now next thing that you can do after installation is go to your start menu and find out your GDevelop setup. Okay, and once it opens, we will see what are the controls, and we'll also see how to run a simple window where you can create the game. Okay, so first thing, let's see our GDevelop. So when you first open it, it should look empty like this. Okay, so here you have option to either create a new project or you can open the existing one. So you go to file and there you have option to create a new project. You will also get this what's new type of window when your application updates. Simply close that. Now the default start page looks something like this. Now here you can choose create new project. Here you can choose the type of game that you want, like platformer, shooter, etc., or simply choose empty, and that should load your empty project. Okay, now here you can see it doesn't have a scene, and also here in project side you can choose your game settings. Click on properties, choose the resolution. You can choose based on the device you are targeting. So let's say if you go for higher resolution, then you may have to choose your background images or sprites to reflect that change. Okay, now here you can see there is option for scene. So when you add scene, you add background, then you add your sprite and other game elements on that scene. Okay, so we can click on add scene. Okay, and when we add scene, it should look something like this, right? And currently, as you can see, there is nothing here. So if I want to run this, it should immediately run and show me a small window with no element on it. So this is called as preview of project. So in this short demonstration, I showed you how to open your GDevelop new project and how to run a simple window made out of a new scene in that project.